Welcome to our deep dive into Cursor, the innovative AI code editor that's taking coding to the next level. Let's take a moment to compare Cursor with ChatGPT. While both are designed to enhance coding, their approaches are quite different. Cursor comes packed with features that really enhance your coding experience, including intelligent code suggestions and real-time collaboration. Using advanced AI techniques, Cursor optimizes code suggestions and corrections, making your coding journey smoother than ever. Cursor excels in various real-world applications, whether you're working solo, in a team, or teaching new developers. Hear from those who've transformed their coding experience with Cursor. Our users have amazing success stories. Like any tool, Cursor isn't without its limitations. However, the team is constantly working to improve and refine the software. The future looks bright for Cursor, with amazing developments and updates planned that will enhance its capabilities even further. In conclusion, Cursor is a valuable tool for developers looking to optimize their coding with the power of AI. Don't miss out. Try Cursor today and elevate your coding experience to new heights.